Hello? Today, I'll be telling you about the Summer Reading Challenge. It's a really great challenge going on in the UK, or mostly just England and Ireland. Anyway, this is the book I'm going to be reading first. Actually, I'm nearly at the end of it. It's called Big Nate Blasts Off, and on the cover, you can see there's a comic. And this is what happened to Nate. This boy called Randy was shaking up Nate's root beer, and then when he opened it, it splashed on his face, and then on the next panel, he was just really mad. It's called Big Nate Lives It Up. I think this is a really great book, but I've already read it. So I just wanted to read it again because it had a really nice message. Anyway, in the comic at the front, you can see that Nate is shaking hands, and then Nate is shaking hands with this boy, and then he's picking his nose, because it says pick, 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 and then he touches Nate's arm. Yucky! The third book that I'm going to do for the summer reading challenge, it's called Do Not Disturb the Dragon. And see, at the front you have a girl with knight's armor, and a dragon with some magical sparkles coming out of its tail. And I'm gonna show you the back because that's really interesting. Well, and there's a sign that has the blurb on it. Welcome to Wondermere, a kingdom full of rules. The most important one, do not disturb the dragon. Seriously, don't do it. The dragons bring us luck. We can't risk them flying away. In fact, no breaking any rules at all, just in case. So do not eat ice cream for breakfast, okay? And never stand on the wrong end of a unicorn. This is the last book I'm going to read for the summer reading challenge. It's called Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Did you watch the movie? It was a great movie. And look, this book is rainbow. And at the back, you see a description of each character. Willy Wonka is the most extraordinary chocolate maker in the world. And he's given 5 children golden tickets to visit his famous chocolate factory. Augustus Gloop, a great big greedy nincompoop. Veruca Salt, a spoiled brat. Violet Burrow the Great, a repulsive little gum chewer. Mike TV, a TV addict. Charlie Bucket, the hero.